You ask a question and let me answer your question.
Okay, sir.
Immediately she put their dad inside Kirikiri. Immediately she brought Manfred, the father to Michelle. That is the father to Michelle, his best friend. He brought that one inside and started knocking that one.
Oga Eliab,
It's in
stop,
the
stop,
record
stop.
of graph. Ask
Oga Eliab,
anybody in
stop.
graph.
Wait, stop. If Mabel can bring this Damien's, let's go to that. Damien's papa friend to Lash. That means that Michelle, that is her papa. Hence why the man found that he discovered it, he went and committed suicide. Because it's very possible. Nana, listen to it now. Because how can she and the man become so close after her best friend passed away? You and I know that's not possible. They must have been having something before in order for her to feel so brave to get with the man. So does that mean Michelle has another father? Made it talk
Maybe to
well.
answer that question.
Think about it now, Oga Eliop. Because how will she just get
Because
in with the man like that?
Dad was in that man, the father of Michelle or Damien, his best friend, the man have twins, got married to a black woman, but maybe caused problem between both of them, the husband and wife. They separated. The man was now staying with Mabel in the house. Even when Henry came back, even when the record is not strong, even when Henry came back from Jete, Henry met the man inside the house. And the man was telling Henry to leave the house. Henry said, I bought these things. Even when they were building this house, it is the level we were using to build this house. Then why would you ask me to leave the house? Even police came into the matter. This issue I'm telling you about, they involved the Austrian police. Record.
This woman are proper Ashao. So I'm telling you that Michelle, her papa not be Damien papa. I have this feeling I could be wrong because I'm human, but I believe that's not her father.
I'm coming, Cassie. After like maybe I came to she had the first deportation 1998. Then she came back. That was in Spain. She did not take like 4 days in Spain. She went for road work. They had her. They deported her back to Nigeria. So 99, she went to Holland.
Went for road work. Mabel?
I'm coming. She went 99.
Hey. Wait now, Eliab. Are you saying that Mabel was a street hawker?
I'm telling you on social media now. Hold on now. I'm coming. Let me so that I will not forget what I'm saying. Now, that 1998, she came to Spain. She was deported from Spain after like 4 days. They catch her for road work. Now she went back to Nigeria. When she got to Nigeria, 1998 ending stroke 99, she took flight through sponsorer again. Go to Okpo. She went to Holland, precisely Gihad in Holland. That was where she was doing prostitution. And there's somebody called Tupac, and there's somebody called Roland Wems. Those people were the one going to, the club place, according to the way she explained it, their drink there is expensive. So they will form as if they are buying the drink, they collect money from behind and all that. So at the end of the day, this Roland Wems was having a wife. That one was like 20-something years older than Mabel. The guy was rich and had two sons and a wife. So when Mabel came into the picture, the man drove the wife out. Then Mabel now moves from the prostitutional house to Gihad, to the man's house, which is Roland Wems. So when Mabel was dating Roland Wems, Mabel was saying there, because Mabel was practicing lele with woman stuff. Now the
please explain.
Elliot, this is serious, so
I am saying it on live now.
Nana?
I'm saying it now. No, I'm telling you the gospel truth. This thing,
I'm as shocked as you are.
I'm coming. Now, during that December period, there is one of our little friends that came. Maybe now went to her house and spent 3 days in her house. And that period in time that Mabel went there, that was when that Enyampin came to Holland. And when Enyampin came to Holland, Mabel declared that she was a Sierra Leonean when she got to Holland. That one now brought a Nigerian passport for Mabel. So when Mabel got home, Mabel met the lady, the Enyampin. So that one came. So that one, Roland Wems was arguing with Mabel. Why will you do this? Why will you do that? In the midst of argument, Mabel used bottle. He break down her head. It is not a joke. It is not. I'm not lying. Mabel burst down her head. Then police got involved. When police got involved, you know, when police come, they have to search and all that. They now found out that she claimed Nigeria, and at the same time she was claiming Sierra Leone, and at the same time she was having a Nigerian passport. That was how she was deported back to Nigeria. As she came to Nigeria, she now do a lot of voodoos. That man, when he break his head, that was the same man that brought, thank you so much, please make yourself visible, guys. Please, make another hear the talk for talking's sake. It was the same Roland Wems that brought Mabel to Austria. So when Mabel got to Austria, Mabel was hustling. It was when Mabel was hustling, he met the father of the white children, whether that's Michelle or Damien, I don't know which one. That was when Mabel met him. And come see, Michelle, you are watching this video, and I want your mom to screen record this part and show to you. Your mom told me that when she met your dad, that your dad was by doing women and doing men at the same time.
Bisexual.
I'm quoting your mom.
She's sweet, oh.
And I am saying name. She said, how did she know? She said she saw some receipt in your daddy's pockets. And now, because she doesn't understand Dutch too much, she showed it to the bank Marital, which is the account officer. Not this present account officer, which is Tina Pimas. Tina Pimas is a recent account officer. And I'm going to drag Tina Pimas online. Yes, Mabel's account officer. But the previous account officer, Mabel said, he showed her the receipt and said, the man is going to what about club. That was when I knew. It was through Mayel I knew that the men have that kind of thing in Austria. It was through Mayel. And Mayel said a lot that your dad is always cool. That at times she will drink and she will be waiting for your dad. Your dad will drink and live there, doesn't touch her and all that. That was the reason why she brought Henry into the house. And when she brought Henry into the house, that is, she was still married to the man, and he claimed that Henry was the brother. You see?
So he brought Henry to spite him or what?
Their mother question. Why will my dad by himself hang himself in front of your hospital? It's a question Michelle and Damien are supposed to be asking their mom. They are supposed to be asking their mom, is Dasia's father related to you? Why my dad was alive, he was staying with us, and later he now got married to you. Let me shock you guys one thing. Ask anybody. This thing is is on social media, and so many people are in Austria here. Ask yourself, Michelle and Damien, when Mayel brought the mother to Austria for the very first time to come and take care of you guys, when you guys were around, when Mayel did a welcome party, Manfred was not there. I want to quote Enyampin right now. Enyampin, you came to the party. Your husband came to the party. You told me that the way Mayel treated your Manfred, that was why your husband did not go to the party. Now you are celebrating your mother that came to Austria. Your husband was not here. You use Henry to replace your husband. And so instead of you guys, Michelle and Damien, sitting on social media, creating a lot of hate, reproach, condemnation to your name, sit your mother down and ask your mother question. Your dad is supposed to be alive till dates. It was the pressure your mom, what your dad passed through, went in the hands of Mayel. That was why your dad's life was cut short. Because after all,
I believe the man discovered that one of the children are not his biological children, and then he discovered.
I'm coming, please. When I met Mabel, what Mabel told me was that the husband died for motor accident. Everything she told me at the initial stage, most of you say, why did you not? Were you not aware? I was not aware. It was.
I was going to ask you that.
I found, yes,
in a minute.
She told me that the husband died in motor accident.
So I was going to ask that, hey, my husband, Oga Eliab, so you saw this danger?
No, I was not.
Hey, men, run
You
for
go
your
marry
life.
a street hawker. A street hawker. Everyone is sleeping with her without any protection for €5, €10.
Let it just finish up.
For their life. Oh.
No, let me just finish up so that you will not forget some things first. Okay. Yeah, let me just finish up, please. Yeah.
See, now,
Let him finish.
Now, this whole issue, the children should sit their mother down and ask their mother questions. Damien was small. Michelle was as well small when all this thing was happening. But they are now grown up. They are now adults. Because the cost for their dad to buy himself and the children cannot fight for him, he will be against them. So Michelle, sit your mother down. Ask your mother question. Are you not surprised that when your dad died, why did your grandparents took your mother Mabel to court if your mother was innocent? In Europe, you cannot, somebody by himself, when they not get better evidence, then it's still go be. But have you asked yourself question, Michelle and Damien, instead of you guys constituting nuisance on social media? You see, Mabel has made both of you, in fact, all of you, irrelevant on social media. And very soon, the KO or any platform will be gone. Screen record this part. You see this page you are in right now? In less than due time, you'll cry out and call my name. Screen record this part, I'm telling you. In less than few weeks from now, to spoil not the heart, not to repair not the heart. I will visit you from Nigeria. I will visit your platform. And when I visit your platform, it's like I'm taking too much time. It's like maybe I'll do it this night. You want to try me? I want to show you come up on Facebook completely. As you are building it, I am damaging it. As you are building it, I am damaging it. And it's high time for you, for what you did today, bringing my daughter Munachi to insult yourself, raining insult on yourself. Hey, like this. I will definitely visit your platform very, very soon. Please let me give other people time to talk.
My question was that, can I speak? I'll be brief.
One after the other, please. It should be one after the other, please.
My question to